So this video is a bit overdue. I got asked to make a video now to improve your grime/rap voice when you spit bars when you perform by someone in the comments of a certain video. I'll leave the name on the screen because, to be honest, I can't pronounce it. But all tight, you big up you for asking the question. It's gonna help a lot of people. So let's get to answering that question right away. So let's be honest right off the bat, right? This is one of those things that's going to take years to improve upon, to get better at. But there are certain things that you can do right now to start actually improving and getting a better voice when you spit bars, when you perform your bars, right? So let's get straight to those things. And these are things that have helped me. These are things that I think about and do every time I go to perform. And once you keep doing this over a certain amount of time, your rap voice or grime voice will get way better. To make it a lot easier, make sure that each one of these 3 points begins with a C, right? And I refer to these points as the 3 C's, right? And the first C we're going to talk about in this trio is confidence. And what I mean by this is not the confidence that's like, oh, braggadocio and spitting your bars like this and I'm proving I'm the greatest. Maybe that might be a part of it, maybe that's your style, but that's not what I mean. What I mean is that, think about it, if you spit your bars timidly and you're not sure if your bars are good enough or they're going to be liked, you can hear it in your voice. It'll come out in your grime voice, your rap voice. So instead, have trust in your bars. Know that you have good bars. If you don't think your bars are good, then go and write some good bars. This kind of confidence in your bars that you're good will help you spit your bars articulately and out loud in a room full of people. You'll be able to shout your bars, make sure everybody hears them. Because if you have good bars that you're confident in, you want people to hear them. Second of all, it's something like knowing your bars. Every time you go to spit your bars, make sure you know it. Make sure you've recited them or you've got them on a piece of paper and you know them, right? You don't want to forget in your bars. This will affect your delivery, your rap voice also. So confidence. Let's move on to the next point. Right, the next C will be clarity. You have to make sure you're as clear and as understandable as possible when you spit bars. A good way to do this is to extra pronunciate your words when you spit bars, right? So if you have an accent and you spit bars, make sure you double down on pronouncing those words. Extra pronounce your words, open your lips and extra pronounce your words, open your lips and practice like this. Do ridiculous stuff like this when you practice. This will train your jaw muscles to be more clear when you spray your bars. But if people can't hear and your voice is all muffled, you know, this will affect your MC voice a lot. When you're clear and people can hear exactly what you're saying, word by word, syllable by syllable, your MC voice will be a lot better, a lot clearer, a lot more commanding, a lot more crisp. And that's what you want. So next point is clarity. Practice pronouncing your bars a lot. Even if you think you know the 16 off by heart and you think it's good bars, next step is simply go over it over again to the point where even if you spit the bars fast, people can hear them clearly, like as if you're spitting them at normal speed. A good MC that I really like, that can do this super well, Mr. Traumatic. Check him out, listen to him. If you listen to him, you can see that it's very easy to understand each word that he's saying, despite having a Welsh accent and the fact that he sometimes spits fast, double time slow. A lot of the time you can miss a lot of MC's bars, but you can never miss his bars. So do the same thing. Make sure people can't miss your bars and you're articulate and clear. This will help your MC voice a lot. It will help it, like I said, be more crisp and be more clear and be more understandable. Because if people can understand you and your bars are really good and you're confident in your bars that they're good, people are going to want to listen. Alright, so let's move on to the final C, the final point. The last point, the last thing you can do that will exponentially help your MC voice out, be a lot more commanding, a lot better, a lot more understandable, a lot more cool, whatever that means to you, is chill. Right? Relax. Be relaxed when you spit bars. When I say chill, when I say relax, I don't mean in the way you attack the bars and how loud you are or in how aggressive you are. No, I simply mean your body. I'm not on about your voice at all. You can be as loud and as high P as you want with your voice, but make sure your body's all chill. Because if you're tense, right, when you're saying what you're saying on the mic, it's going to restrict your diaphragm and you're not going to be able to use the full vocal range, right, that you have, right? Your vocals can go a lot deeper. They can be as powerful as a microphone at times if you just let your belly and your diaphragm get involved. But a lot of the time when we perform we get anxious, so we get restricted, so our diaphragm gets restricted and we can't use the full vocal range that we have, right? So a good tip to counteract this is just check in with your body, check in with your mind, check in with your throat, make sure it's all chill, it's all relaxed before you go and spit your bars, so that you can use your diaphragm, you can use your vocal cords at their fullest potential. And this obviously, it's pretty self-explanatory how it will bring about a better MC voice, right? If you have a bit deeper full range, you have a more commanding, more powerful, more listenable to MC voice whenever you MC. So do that. 3 C's again. So confidence, clarity, chill, right? So if you keep, those are the 3 things that I keep in mind before trying to spit bars, so that I make sure that my MC voice and my delivery is on point, tip top, right? So if you keep them in your mind, you keep that in your consciousness before you go and spit bars each time, you see over time, the more you do this, you get better at each point, and as a result, your MC voice will evolve and improve as a result of this. Okay, there's a lot more that I could probably say on this topic on improving your MC voice, your rap voice, but I'm going to leave you with those 3 points. I'm going to leave you there because I don't want to make this video too long, and I think those 3 points will be enough to help you develop your MC voice to a level where you're happy with and other people vibe with and think, yeah man, that's dope, that delivery is on point, that voice is on point, the bars are on point. Alright, so if you have enjoyed the video, then make sure you like it, make sure to subscribe because there's more videos like this on the channel coming soon, helping you improve as an MC, and you don't want to miss them. And if you're subscribed, right, I can't forget to big you up, can't forget to thank you. How to Grime would not be a thing without you. So if you're subscribed, thank you for that. That's a big help. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.